Irene here? I'd like to thank a few people this afternoon. And I'll be back. Irene, where's your daughter? Okay. I'd like to thank a few people this afternoon that why we have such a grandiose house and you think this is so beautiful. I didn't do this by myself. Okay. I have two ladies here who is my designer, who is our designer for the house. So if you think this is so beautiful, how about a big hand for both of them? That put all these things together. And believe me, it's not cheap. But anyway, on behalf of the Pizarro family,
I thank you very much.
All right. The second guy I'd like to thank this afternoon, of course, is Music and Friends that has been entertaining us almost afternoon. And again, they have a lot to do with making this afternoon very festive for all of us. There's so many of them that I cannot start with a name. But anyhow, we also with us is our old neighbor from the old neighborhood. We're all here. And they were on that line. We have also our neighbors in the community, and there are some of them is over there on that side. Isolde and Ed was there. Harry. I know where's the other family that we got? Prudence is here and Amando Gaspar. We have Tomo Garcia and Christina. And we have Tessie and Mr. Wallace is here. We also have with us my own personal CPA. We have, he's graced us with his presence. My personal lawyer is here. I have two of them, Wendy and Gerard. Last but not least, I would like to thank my wife for supporting me. And, we're also graced with the presence of the president of my company. That's none other than Carlos Bozon, retired captain. And his lovely wife, Mrs. Albega Buzon.
The lucky one.
Okay. Again, the afternoon is not almost over yet. We still have some food that we can share together. And if you haven't seen the rooms and every section of this house, please do so. You can feel that there's some graciousness and acceptance in our heart for your coming this afternoon. Okay. At this time, I'd like to call on my wife because I think behind every successful man stands two women. And that is my wife, Presi, and Wendy. This is the truth. All right, where's Gerard? Gerard here? Get him down. Gerard is, of course, in the cigar lounge. He built his own cigar lounge upstairs. Patio, this patio. So if you haven't seen it, please go over there and check it out. Okay. Again, thank you, and all my relatives and friends, and my brother is here also as well from San Francisco Bay Area, and some nieces and nephews that you've seen. Okay. This has been a long-awaited moment for me especially, because I have dreamed about this from the time I left the Philippines. 50 years ago in 6 months. Okay. So I love it.